Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this week's video, we're doing a little bit of stove maintenance and just hanging out for the evening. So sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy this one. Okay. So, this afternoon I'm cleaning out the wood stove. And I need, this. Getting the creosote out of the pipes and emptying all the ash from the actual stove itself. So overnight, the pipes become coated with soot, and it's important to clean them out daily to ensure proper airflow within the stove. The amount accumulated will vary depending on what type of wood you're using and how hot your fire is burning throughout the night. So it's important to check on it daily if you can. After cleaning out both the stove and the pipes, we made a coffee and hung out for the evening. Then we packed up and started heading back south. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. If you have any suggestions for future videos, leave them below. And like this video if you enjoyed it and want to help support my channel. Stay tuned for more outdoor camping adventures, and we'll see you next week.